Hello, my name's Carl White, I'm from Porsche Newcastle, and today we'll have a Panamera 4S Sport Turismo. The car is jet black metallic. It has a sport design package painted in black high gloss. For the alloys, they are 21-inch Panamera sport design wheels. The engine is a 2.9 litre twin turbo, pushing on 440 brake horsepower and 550 newtons of torque. The car has a sports exhaust system in black, and the boot has a reasonably large amount of storage space. The car has 18-way adaptive sports seats in the front with a memory package. It also has heated front and rear seats. So now I think it's time to go and take the car for a drive.